We've all been there, staring at Blender's native cloth physics panel, feeling completely overwhelmed by settings like structural stiffness and bending resistance. It usually ends with the cloth exploding or sliding right through your character. Simply Cloth Studio 2, created by Vyacheslav Chat, is designed to take that technical guesswork out of the equation. It is widely considered the closest thing to Marvelous Designer you can get while staying entirely within Blender. This isn't just a collection of presets. Version 2.0 has been completely rebuilt from the ground up for Blender 5.0. It features a modern, window-managed UI and a brand new adaptive wrinkle recognition system. This is a massive deal. It automatically calculates where wrinkles should appear based on the mesh's movement and edges, giving you high-detail results without needing to crank your subdivision levels to a point where your computer starts to smoke. The workflow is surprisingly intuitive. You can start by simply selecting a preset, like silk, denim, or cotton, and the add-on handles the mouth. But the real power is in the cut and sew system. You can design clothing patterns as flat 2D shapes, and with a single click, the add-on sews them together and shrinks them to fit your character perfectly. If you opt for the full library version, you even get over 200 pre-made garment patterns to jumpstart your character's wardrobe. One of the biggest time savers is the Optim Cloth feature. It allows you to run your heavy simulations on a low-resolution proxy mesh while keeping all that beautiful high-resolution detail for your final render. It also handles the boring stuff automatically, like generating Simply Solidify modifiers to give your fabric thickness, or managing complex collision layers so your character's skin doesn't poke through their shirt. Whether you're a beginner making a simple curtain or a professional studio outfitting a cast of characters for a film, this tool is a lifesaver. It turns a frustrating technical hurdle into a fun, creative design process. At $36 for the base studio version, it's an absolute steal for the amount of time it saves you. Stop fighting the physics and start dressing your characters like a pro.